What's up, you guys? Welcome to another episode of Panchos Garage. Today we have a rocky start to the night. So the plan for today was just open up the engine, clean up all the surface areas, and basically just reinstall gasket, seal it back up, ready to go back in. But when I took the oil pan off, I found this guy. As you can see, this thing right here was in there. So basically what that thing is part of the timing chain guide that goes right here. For a minute I thought I broke it when I took off the timing cover itself. But if you look closely here, it actually, it's been like that for a while. So I didn't want to do a timing chain and guides and tensioner, but it's one of those things that now I gotta do it. So basically what the plan for today is clean up the block, start taking everything apart completely so that take everything apart so that I can get the new timing chain, timing guides, timing tensioner in there. I got to order those parts. Hopefully they don't take too long to arrive. I got to flip the engine back over because I took the oil pan off that way and there was little chunks, so I don't know if there's little chunks now in there, so I'm gonna flip it back around, get my oil pan over there and see how much oil I can catch. But yeah, man, this is a bummer. I honestly did not want to have to change that timing chain, but I mean, it is what it is. You gotta do it, you gotta do it. But anyways, yeah, let's go ahead and do that. See how much we can do today. Alright, so it's actually been about 2 to 3 hours after that last clip. Anyways, I was looking at the timing chain, and I was thinking about redoing everything, but since this is like a low budget build, I'm just gonna fix what's broken. I actually found an auto parts store that was still open and had the timing guide in stock. So I went, picked it up, I already installed it. It's just 2 bolts, nothing crazy. I went ahead and cleaned all the surfaces for the timing cover, and then the oil pan. The timing cover itself is clean, ready to go. The oil pan still needs a lot of cleaning. It's actually getting close to midnight right now, so I'm gonna call it quits for right now. I'm gonna continue this tomorrow after work. I do want to seal the engine up at minimum and actually get it ready. I've been looking at the gaskets. I seem to have most of it. What I don't have, like the water outlet for some reason and whatnot, I'm gonna just leave it be because it's probably fine anyways. But I am gonna change like the timing cover seal and whatnot. But yeah, for now, that's it. I'll see you guys mañana, but same video. Okay, so it's another day. I got all the surfaces prepped on the block and the accessories. So now it's just time to reassemble it. So let's get started on that.
Plus this.
Okay, so the engine's almost ready. As you can see, water pump's in there, timing covers in there, new oil pump, oil sender, oil filter, the gasket there were replaced, oil pan's in there. The crankshaft, I still need to tighten it, but I'll do that later. And then on this side, I got the exhaust manifold back on. It is missing a couple screws, so good thing I have a donor. So I'm gonna get it off of that, throw it onto here to make sure all the hardware is complete. And then on the intake side, I still need to clean off this gasket and then put on the intake. So I'm not gonna do that today. I still gotta source this hose, this replacement hose. So yeah, once I figure that out, then I'll do this side of the engine. But for the most part, it's pretty much ready. Valve cover's on. Just need to, do a couple more things. So I'm gonna see if I can find those parts, put them on. And then on this guy, hopefully tomorrow, I want to work on either the brakes or the suspension, depending what parts come in. But I want to start working on this guy. And yeah, so I'm going to call it quits for right now. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.